In a research in 2018, the 98% of 98% of the researchers in a survey said when you are handling any data, please go through it critically for ensuring the quality of the data and its process, so that you can have it more precisely formed or more in a good condition. If you want to have more information on this, please go through the site I have mentioned here, and also this is all I have posted in my website ttweb.in, where through which we used to promote our three services. One is uh, providing certificates on computer courses, and also that we used to provide tuition on CC++, VB Java, Sell Dry Fruits, and provide designing on banners, flex, posters. Call is 84208 and email address is dastomal6@gmail.com. Call is 84208 email is dastomal6@gmail.com. Please guys contact us for any kind of requirement and any kind of query on computer. And thank you for sharing, liking, subscribing my video. Thank you.